when nung na-one-to-one po ako ni Pastor Dan. And after that po, naging, Christian ako, simula bata kasi Christian school. Pero basically, masasabi mo average churchgoer po ako. Every Sunday, I would go to church, and then after that, Monday, I would proceed to do things na like normal people would do. Like, hindi yung pagka-Christian ko pang Sunday lang. Yan. Pero, meron po idea kay God, and I was being discipled, kahit nag-one-to-one ako. Pero, parang, may mga... hello, and na-experience mo ba yung parang, yes, I know that I have my God, you are my God, pero there are things na I can't submit to you or I can't surrender kasi, wala, ito it's my identity. So, I believe that's really what happened to me. So,